Through fires nobody saw, burn my hands on every door. Silence taught me how to breathe, darkness taught me how to see. I stitched my heart with grit and grace, found my power in the strangest place. Every scar turned into sight, yeah, the wound became the again. Came out Gandalf in the end. Emotional armor, dragon skin, intuition sharp as wind. Yeah, I rose from fire and ash, wizard heart and badass. You can't shake me, you can't win. I cast spells from where I've been. I cast spells from where I've been. People say it's magic now, but pain was my apprenticeship somehow. Every heartbreak, every fall, built the wizard standing tall. I move like smoke, I read the air. I know the truth that's hiding there. Been through hell and back again. Came out Gandalf in the end. Emotional armor, dragon skin, intuition sharp as wind. Yeah, rose from fire and ash, wizard heart and badass. You can't shake me, you can't win. I cast spells from where I've been. No staff, no spell, just a woman who survived her hell. When the shadows try to take